Good morning, children. Sairam. How are you, children? I hope you all are fine, good at your home. Children, in my previous video, I have taught chapter number 4 Working with Tables, part 1. Today, we will continue this chapter number 4 Working with Tables, part 2. Now, children, today we will cover the following topics. The first topic is rename a field in MS Access. Next topic is moving a field in MS Access. Next is moving through records. Last one is lookup wizards. Okay, children? Clear? Now, children, rename a field. How to rename a field? Children, first of all, select the column header that you want to rename. Then click on the rename button, which is available in a field and column group. Then current heading will get highlighted and enter the name. New name you can enter. The new column heading will appear. Okay, children? Now, children, you can see the screen. First of all, how to rename a field? Children, first of all, select the column header. After selecting the column header, go to the field and column group. This is the field and column group. 3 options are there: insert, delete and rename. You have to select the rename option. As soon as you are selecting the rename option, this column header will highlight it and you can enter the new name here. Okay. Now, children, next is moving a field. Children, how to move a field? First of all, open the table in a database view. Then select the entire column by clicking on the field header. After that, drag the field to the right side. As you release the mouse button, the selected field will be placed at the new location. Okay, children, it is very easy to move the field. Look at the screen, children. You can see these are the field. First of all, select the column. Whole column you have to select. Okay. Then you can move this field to the right side. This is the right side. You can see it will go to the right side. In this way you can move the field to the new location. Okay, this is the how to move a field to the other location. Now, children, come to the moving through records. Children, it is very convenient to move through the record in MS Access using navigation toolbar that appear at the bottom of the database. Okay. Now, children, look at the screen. You can see record navigation box. Children, here are some numbers are there. Numbers are mentioned here. Number 1 is mentioned how to open the first record. Number 1 is for first record. First record. Number 2 is to move the previous record. Number 2 is for this one. Number 2 is for previous record. Okay, children. Now, number 3 is for specific record. You can write here specific record. If you want to see any specific record, then number 3, in number 3 you have to write enter any specific record. Okay, children. Now children, number 4. Number 4 is for next record. Number is 4 for next record. If you want to see the next record, you can click on this button, number 4. Then number 5. Number 5 is for last record. Number 5 is for last record. Okay. Now the last is 6 button. 6 button, this one, this is the 6th. Number 6 is for new blank record. New blank record. Okay children, these are the record navigation box. It is available at the bottom of the data sheet. Okay, understood? Now children, come to the next topic, lookup wizard. Children, in the lookup wizard, it allows you to select the values from the another table or from the list of values. Lookup wizard column creates a relationship between two tables. MS Access has a wizard option to help you to create lookup columns. Okay, wizard refers to a program which provides step-by-step guidance for doing some lengthy activities. Okay children, clear? Children, I am giving you one example. Suppose children, a student of class 12th can opt only one of the following departments for his further studies. You can create departmental table that lists the departments. We can write the departments in a departmental table. Then use this list in a students table to select the department of the students. Okay children, so we are having two tables. Number 1 is departmental table and next is students table. Okay, two tables we have to make. Children, look at the screen. You can see two tables, departmental tables and students table. In departmental tables, we have entered departments like civil, computer science, electronic, mechanical or IT. And in students table, you can write the detail of students. The student's roll number, student's name, class, marks and address. Okay children, two tables are there. Now children, how to create the lookup list? Children, follow the steps. First of all, open the student table. Two tables we are having. Open the student table in a data sheet. After opening the student table, click on class field. Class field is there in a student table. Click on class field. Then after that, click on data tab. Then after that, click on lookup column. Lookup column button. You have to click on lookup column. It is available in the field and column group. Now lookup wizard window will appear. Okay children. From this window, lookup wizard window, you choose lookup column. After choosing the lookup column, click on the next button. Okay children, follow these steps. How to do lookup list. How to make the lookup list. Now children, look at the screen. You can see it is a lookup wizard window. this window will appear. Okay, here you have to click on I want to look up column to look up the values in a table or query. Then after that click on the next button. Okay, follow the steps children. I will show you each and every window. Okay, now children, the next step is the next screen is display, which asks you to select the table. Okay, and provide the lookup values. Now select the way input either from the table or queries or both. By default you will find the table. Departmental already selected. Department table will departments always selected. Now after that click on next button to move the next screen. All the fields in the selected table are displayed in the available field box. Available field box. After that children, click on the single arrow if you want to select the single field from the available field box. Transfer it to the selected field. Okay children, look at the screen children. This is the table selected in lookup wizard. Children, see the table, two tables, table 1 and department. This department table is already selected and select it here table. After that click on next button. Okay children. Now children, again the steps you can follow. If you want to add all the fields, then click on the double arrow. This double arrow you can click. If you want to add only one field, single field, then you click on single arrow. Understood? Then click on the next button to move to the next screen. Children, next screen is of lookup wizard will ask you to sort the records to 4 fields either in ascending order or descending order in the column 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then click on the next button. Okay children, after the next button, now in the next screen, the width of the lookup wizard to be specified. The width of any column can be adjusted by dragging it from the edge of the field. Then click on the next button. After that children, lookup wizard will ask you to specify the table name for the lookup column that you have selected. You can click on finish button. Okay. Lastly children, the lookup column will be displayed in the students table. You can see. I am showing you the screen. Look at the screen children. This is the displaying the available field. This is the single arrow and this is the double arrow. If you want to select only one field, you click on the single arrow. If you want to select all the fields, then you click on double arrow. Okay, displaying the available field. Now children, next screen is selected field. Children, selected field is department and this one is departments. You have to select this one. Okay. Then click on next button. Now after this screen children, next screen is this specify the sorting order. Children, this is the sorting order. Children, in lookup wizard it will ask to sort the record to 4 fields either in ascending or descending order. You can click here, select this ascending or descending order 1, 2, 3, 4 and lastly click on next button. Okay children, the next screen is width of the lookup column to be specified children. This is civil, computer science, electronic, mechanical. These are the departments. The width of any column can be adjusted by dragging it from the edge of the field. Double click the edge of the field will also adjust the column. And lastly, click on next button. Okay children, the next screen is defining table for lookup column. Children, this is the last screen. You have to select here department. Okay, and then click on finish button. This finish button is highlighted. You have to click here finish button. Okay, after finishing, children, this screen will come. This screen will come. This is the result window. Children, in student table, roll number, name, class, marks, address are there. But this field will come from the department table. It will come from the department table. Okay. So this is the result window. Combination of two tables. Understood children? Now children, I hope you all have understood about MS Excel. Children, we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.